What is your favourite Christmas song?
Driving Home for Christmas by Chris Rea.
I like Last Christmas by Wham.
And do you think you can check your tyres in that time?
I reckon so, yeah, absolutely.
Let's find out.
3, 2, 1, go. The song Driving Home for Christmas is 4 minutes long. Do you think you beat that?
Yeah, definitely.
You did it in 2 minutes and 31 seconds.
Nice.
The song Last Christmas is 4 minutes and 21 seconds. How long do you think it took you?
I'm going to go 2 minutes.
You did it in 1 minute and 39 seconds.
Good, very good.